Hello. In this video, I will be talking about the best gentle herbs that I use for my own children in order to gradually introduce them to the world of herbs while at the same time aiding in improving their health and their wellness. With all the confusion and hype nowadays about child nutrition, it's really easy as a parent or caregiver to feel overwhelmed on how you should support your child's health. So the key here is to go to the basics and focus on the natural methods and sources for nutrition and avoid junk and processed foods while you can. These herbs that I mentioned in this video, I have used them personally on my own children, and they are gentle on the children's system, and they help in replenishing the bodies with minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants that are important for their growing bodies. I rotate while using these herbs and also make them taste sweet using either honey, stevia, or rice malt syrup, as well as also using slices of lemon or orange in order to make them look interesting and exciting while at the same time playing with the flavor. My favorite herb to start giving to children from the age of 1 is rubios. Rubios is amazing. It's a family favorite because it's rich in antioxidants and it contains polyphenols that have anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, helping their body to naturally fight off the nasty cold, flu, and other respiratory symptoms, which are quite common here in Finland due to the long and dark winter months. My children enjoy it warm or iced during the warm months, and lately it's become my 10-year-old daughter's favorite go-to drink. Another favorite herbal tea that I give to my children is chamomile, which they choose to nickname the golden tea because it has a bright yellow color and it has a sweet floral scent. My children love it, especially before bedtime. They also ask me to make them some warm chamomile tea if they have an upset stomach or if they have the occasional bloating after a heavy meal, and it does the trick. Chamomile is especially great for my 8-year-old who has ADHD, and it helps him to feel more calm, relaxed, and less agitated. Chamomile tea has relaxing benefits for the digestive system, and it also helps with digestion, and it gets rid of bloating, and it aids in peaceful sleep. My kids enjoy it infused with a few cardamom pods, which have the same relaxing effect on the mood and the digestive system. The third and final herbal tea that my kids love is ironwort, and it's originally called Greek mountain tea, and it's a fabulous herb that is known for its antiviral properties, especially when it comes to fighting off colds and flu. It's traditionally used in Greece in order to help better digestion, strengthen the immune system, and also ease anxiety, which is perfect for my son with ADHD. I like to sweeten it with raw honey and a few slices of lemon, and they enjoy it best as an iced tea throughout the day. I do be careful about the dosage, and I make sure they have 1 cup a day of only one herbal tea, and their daily intake of liquid is filtered water, freshly juiced fruit, and smoothies. Now that our kids are young, we as parents and caregivers are in the best position we can ever be on choosing the best nutritional choices for our young ones, and also empowering them to make the same so they carry these values further as they grow. Our children are precious, and they entrust and rely on us in order to provide them with the best parenting and nutritional support they need in order to grow healthy and strong. So let's take the opportunity in order to encourage healthy eating habits and respect for wildlife and natural medicine while they are still young, so they may be able to cherish it when they grow up, and also most importantly, cherish the bonding time we spend with them as we introduce them to the world of natural medicine while having a good time enjoying herbal tea. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, press the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.